Hello to all my friends in China. I'm Simon Christie, professional off-road media host and producer in the outdoor 4x4 and off-road space. In 2023, I took a GWM Power on a 5,000 kilometre round-trip test from Melbourne to Alice Springs, crossing some of the wildest terrain, including the infamous and beautiful Ruby Gap. Fully loaded with our film crew and equipment, the GWM Power handled soft sand, rocks and riverbeds with ease, performing on par with many highly regarded, long-established 4x4 brands. Factory fitted with triple diff locks, the 4A plus M-Lock 4-wheel drive system, wireless winch, snorkel, AT tyres, underbody protection and more, this package is built ready for real off-road routes. What I appreciate most though is seeing a manufacturer that's committed to off-road performance and willing to equip that car with such real, hardcore off-road hardware straight from the factory. I'm really looking forward to taking it into the true Australian outback and seeing how well it performs when things get genuinely tough. GWM Power is selling extremely well in Australia. We're seeing more and more of them on our roads and in the bush. Its off-road capability is right up there with the established pickups and well-known brands. The world is watching the rise of China's automotive industry. 10 years ago, China vehicles were viewed as followers. Today, Chinese brands are standing at the forefront of technology, innovation and product quality.
GWM. Go with more.